Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. It is the morning of July 1st, 2025. As I am recording this, the courts in the 4th Judicial District, Ada County, opened approximately 50 minutes ago, and I've been checking the docket and the case summary page in Idaho versus Kohberger to see if there is any filing that would confirm this plea deal that the media has reported, that one of the family members of the victims has reported since news broke the afternoon of June 30th, 2025. Now, the case summary page maintained by the clerk of court has not been updated since June 30th, 2025. That would have been around 12:38 p.m. News of this alleged plea deal began to break and then spread by wildfire after the case summary page in the docket was updated yesterday. So as of right now, there's nothing on the docket in the form of any sort of filing by either of the parties regarding a plea deal, a notice of hearing, or a court order regarding what we have heard is a hearing that will be entertained apparently July 2nd, 2025, which is Wednesday. We've heard that there would be a hearing that day before the court where the plea would be presented. If that's the case, that might also be the time when the change of plea from not guilty to the 5 counts that Mr. Kohberger is still, as of this time, scheduled to defend at trial, which is still scheduled as of this time on both the case summary page and the docket, the amended scheduling order of June 26, 2025, all still says that the trial is on as of right now. If you are monitoring the case summary page, you want to go to page 100. That's the last page. And if there is any new filing that happened after the last filing that appears on both the docket and the case summary page, it was a court order that Judge Hippler entered yesterday, June 30th. It would appear after that order, either later in the day on June 30th or July 1st. By the same token, the public docket itself, if there is any new filing that is released to the public, such as a notice of hearing, you want to look at the public docket and see if anything is new after the last item that appears as of right now, which is the court order that had granted a motion to seal the defense's second supplementation to the proposed jury questionnaires and objections. That document was filed June 27th, Friday, and the court order granting the motion to seal that information from public disclosure is the last document on the public docket, and again, the most recent item that appears on the case summary page. We are going to continue to monitor this developing situation for any sort of confirmation from the court of these recent developments of an alleged plea deal and a possible hearing on July 2nd, 2025. So please continue to stay tuned. And until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.